What's up? It's Keith Kelfis with the Window Cleaning Blueprint. In this video, cleaning a house inside and out for $299. No screens. Screens are $4 a piece. Cleaning the windows with the water-fed pole system. It's called the Gardner Extreme. 25-foot reach. I got it from Detroit Sponge, along with the Unger hydropower system with the DI resin bags. I'll put links below if you want to check it out. But the reason I'm making this video is because I decided to raise the prices. We have a new $299 minimum for cleaning windows. And although we will break that rule when necessary, it's just a new standard, it's a new minimum. And also, a tip I learned from my buddy Anthony Heyman: screens. No more free screen cleaning, or no more first time free screen cleaning for first time customers. Screens are $4 a piece. Phone's ringing right now. Everybody wants their windows cleaned. But I'm not taking the call because I'm talking to you. I'll call them back. So, I want to talk about anxiety. Your first couple years in the business, you might get a lot of anxiety around feeling like you have to do everything perfect. So, you'll be like having a panic attack in the customer's house, trying to scrub every little tiny thing because you're afraid they're gonna see it, and then if they see it, they're gonna look at you like you're not morally a good person, or you're lying to them, or you're taking advantage of them. You know, doing a great job makes sense, but what it takes to do a perfect job, that little extra 5%, that's a perfect job, is gonna take you 30% more time. Or it could be literally an extra hour per job by you obsessing over that stuff. And it's the truth that the amount of stress that you're gonna put yourself through in your life, to the point where you can even have a breakdown. There's people in window cleaning I've heard that have actually had breakdowns to where like they just can't clean windows anymore because they're so obsessed with every little spot, and they feel like they have to get every spot and everything, and like the tracks are dirty, and oh my god, I'm doing a disservice to my customers. Like, that might not be you, but what I'm saying is, is your mental and your emotional health, where's the line? Like, is it worth it to put yourself through that amount of hell? It's not. So you finally get to a point, you say, you know what, this is my standard, this is what I do in window cleaning, and now you become confident in that new boundary, and the customer can feel that boundary. And then, because in the world of commerce, a lot of people, you know, they hire you, or you hire somebody, you see the work they do, and if you're not ultra happy, the next time you just go with somebody else. You can't please everybody. I know all these cliches are true, but they're not sayings just for no reason, because they're true. They're true. You can't please everybody really actually means that you can't please everybody. So if you want to be a window cleaner, call it who's a perfectionist, call it the white glove service. If that's your personality, call it the white glove service, and charge people like $500 just to clean their windows on a normal size house, right? And that way you at least be getting paid for being a complete psycho, obsessive compulsive perfectionist, because I did it. So now we do great work, but I'm legit. I'm not gonna go take the ladder back out and crawl all the way back up a ladder after I put it away because there's some little tiny microscopic speck in someone's house. I was doing that, and I cost myself a lot of frustration, a lot of time and energy and money, and it was over some construct in my head that was based off of feelings of unworthiness. I didn't feel worthy of anything. I felt, you know what I mean? So that was my thing. So where's that line? So that's all I wanted to say in this video. I wish you the best of success, my friend. So where's the line for you? Let me know in the comments below what your level of cleanliness is. What is cleanliness to you? What type of clients do you attract? And where are you at in this process? Do you go through the stuff I'm talking about? Or are you over all that? What's your level? Let me know in the comments below. All right, my friend, hit the subscribe button, smash the thumbs up, and I'll see you on the flip-flop, dog. Also, if you're new in the window cleaning business, check out my free 3-video series on how to start a window cleaning business. It's an in-depth video series, and it's totally free. Like, I walk through all of it, and it's very in-depth, and it'll help your mind get over the hurdles if you're new in the business. I'll put a link in the description below called 3 free series. 3 free series. Click it, and you can get it totally free. Okay, my friend. Peace.